Hello creatives, Miss Nikki here from Studio CIA, and in this video I'm going to show you how to draw an adorable little mouse hiding under the mushroom because it's raining outside. One of my favorites. I've got my pencil drawing already done. I recommend you start in pencil. You can always go back over everything with a marker afterwards. We're going to start with a triangle shape for our mushroom, and we want it angled so there's room for our mouse to hide underneath. We'll come back with like a smiley face shape, but imperfect because it's nature. Nature is not perfect. We're going to add a little rectangle underneath with some lines across. We're going to add another rectangle that's a little bit wider, and then our stem. It's a little wider at the bottom, and it stays skinny at the top. I like to add a little bit of grass along the edge of my mushroom, as well as a couple of really thin lines just to show texture. And of course, I have to add polka dots. You guys know I love polka dots. For our little mouse guy, we're gonna start with his ears. He's facing away from us, looking out in the rain, hoping it will get over with quickly. The ears are just two letter C's, one forward and one backwards, with a rainbow over the top for the head. Some little whiskers, kind of just barely able to see them there on the outside edge of the ears. Then we'll curve in for a neck and curve out for the body. And then we got to give our mouse its nice long thin tail. We need to add the ground into our picture. I like to add a little divot or hole in there that I can put some water. It looks like a little puddle. Then we're ready to add those raindrops. Make sure you don't add any raindrops underneath the mushroom because it would be blocking the water from the little mouse. They would be coming right next to it, but it wouldn't be going underneath. So I wouldn't have any kind of coming over here. It could be going off the page. It wouldn't be on there. And that's an adorable little rainy day picture of a mouse and a mushroom. I hope you had fun with that. Be sure to send us pictures or hashtag Studio CIA in your posts. Hit that thumbs up button for us. And don't forget to subscribe and share. Thanks, everyone. See you next time.